It is coming down a lot still.
It's been snowing all day. There's Brian's truck. I hope my little car's okay down there. There's Jeff.
It's good.
They're good?
Hey!
Is it Suze?
Yeah.
She walking? Yeah. Where is she? Hey! Come over here!
I don't like it cold.
There's Suzanne. I'm videoing you.
These are my tights, not
Look
one
at
of my jeans. Come inside, hurry up. You're gonna have to change when we go build snowmen.
Snow. Look how hard it's coming down. So bizarre. Happy Valentine's Day.